Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an SPRT thermal label printer. This is an SP-TL21 series, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this printer is not connecting to your network or if it's not working in any kind of way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set this up on a new system and you just want to get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do the hard reset to the factory default settings, and it will be like it came out of the box. So all we need to do is hold down the pause and the feed button simultaneously up here. And then with both of those held down, we're going to press the power button. And then when you hear the beep, it has like a low beep and then a high beep that indicates that it's turning on. Then you can let go of the feed button. And then while you're holding the pause button, you're going to press the feed button 3 times. And then the printer will actually print out its current parameters, and then it will audibly indicate, or it will indicate, notice it will restore system as default, and press the feed once to confirm, or power off to cancel. So you'll hit the feed button to confirm it, and it will reset to its factory default settings.